Happy summer from the Red Bank Public Library. Welcome to Power Play for Kids. Today we're going to be making animal puppets. I made a dog already, so I'm going to make an orange cat next. You can find the craft kits right inside the library door. Inside the kits you'll be given 3 pieces of paper, eye and spot stickers, a pipe cleaner, pom-poms, 2 toilet paper rolls, 2 popsicle sticks, and 2 long pieces of yarn. The supplies you'll also need are a ruler, scissors, glue, tape, a pencil or a marker, and a hole puncher. First, you'll need your biggest piece of paper and biggest toilet paper roll. You're going to apply glue on the paper and roll the toilet paper roll inside it. Tuck any extra paper inside the roll and use tape to seal it. If the piece is too long, go ahead and trim it with scissors, and then tuck the rest of the paper inside and tape it as well. You may have also noticed that the toilet paper roll already has holes punched in already. They will act as your guide. Take your hole puncher and punch holes on top of the existing ones. One side will have 2 holes, 1 hole on each end. That's the cat's back. The other side will have 4 holes, 2 holes on each end. That's where the cat's legs will go. Afterwards, it'll look like this. Then we'll put this off to the side and take the tall, skinny paper and use it to cover the small paper towel roll. Then tuck in the extra paper inside the toilet paper roll and tape it. Now, we have to hole punch the holes again, but it's only going to be on one side of the small toilet paper roll. Just one at the top and one at the bottom. For your square piece of paper, fold it in half. Then fold it in half again. This is so you only have to draw the paw once. Use a pencil or marker to do this. And then cut it out. You'll have 4 paws. I've added little curved lines to all of them to give them the illusion that they're paws. Then punch a hole at the top of each paw, the opposite side without the curves. Then I'm going to make the ears. If you draw one ear and then fold the paper over underneath and then cut it out, you'll get 2 ears that are the same size. I decided to color the ears and add stripes. I then taped them to the small paper towel roll, which will be the cat's head. The ears should be on the same side as the holes you punched. Then comes my favorite part, design the animal. You can use markers to create fun patterns. I'm using stripes. You can use stickers to decorate and use pom-poms as the nose. You could do whatever you wish. If you'd like to show us your puppet, make sure to send a picture or video to redbanklibrary@gmail.com and we'll feature it on our social media pages. We would also really love to see what you come up with. Now that we have all the pieces, we're going to put our puppet together. First, we're going to create the controller out of popsicle sticks and string. Take one of the long pieces of string and measure it out to 7 to 8 inches. And then make the cut. You may need help doing this part because it's hard to do by yourself. Cross the popsicle sticks and have someone hold them while you tie the string on. I suggest wrapping the popsicle sticks twice on one side and twice on the other, so that it stays better. Then tie the ends together. Then it should be nice and sturdy. Using the rest of the yarn, cut 2 pieces that are about 7 inches. Then take the pieces and tie one of the paws on one end, and then on the other side with the 4 holes, put the string through one hole and have it come out the next hole. Then attach the second paw to that side. And that's how you make the legs. Take the second piece of string that you cut and repeat the same steps as before to create the back legs. Now here comes the tricky part, but don't worry, you can do it. Take the other piece of yarn you haven't touched yet and thread it through the top holes. One side in, and one side out. Then, make sure that the sides are even. Then you're going to attach the head. Thread the string through the bottom hole of the head and adjust how high you want the head to be. When you have it just right, then tie a knot so that the head stays secure. Then thread the rest of the string through the top hole. Then take the end of the string and tie it to the end of one of the popsicle stick sides. Make sure to use a double knot. Now we'll have to do the back. Lift the puppet up so you can stand the cat up straight. Then, when you feel that the posture is perfect, tie the other end of the string to the adjacent side of the popsicle stick. And now for the final touch. I'm going to put on the tail. I'm going to put it through this opening here, and then tape it to the inside. And there you go. You brought your animal puppet to life. Start playing around with the controller. In order to have the cat sniff the ground, I move the controller forward, and then if I want the cat to sit, I just lean the controller back. And then I move the controller side to side so it looks like the cat is walking. And now my dog has a cat friend to spend time with. Thank you so much for joining this power play. I'll see you again August 4th when we do an in-person human hungry hippo game. We'll meet outside the children's room or in the meeting room if it's raining. Until then, bye for now.